Good morning, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, whatever you want to be called at this point. We are going to watch another Pixar short this week because we got a request from one of you guys to do a short. So I figured, why not take requests? So if there's something that you want to do, a story, a book, a short, I'll put it up here. Anyway, so this one is called Red's Dream, and you're going to think about perspective, the author's point of view, and the narrator's point of view. So think about, how did the unicycle feel? What was the unicycle doing? And why was the unicycle dreaming about juggling? It's all about perspective, boys and girls. All right, talk to you tomorrow. Miss you.